in the city of industry. The manufacturer, the distributor, the sales rep, and the sage C3. Our heroes join forces to make business better. They are known as the Growth Alliance. How it all began. Our heroes are not happy. Manufacturer highlighted flat sales, while distributor pushed for discounts, and rep argued for demos. What our heroes didn't know is that they were being attacked by the monster of misalignment. Fragmentation was everywhere. The monster's fog of miscommunication clouded the brand, causing bottlenecks that choked campaigns and blinded our heroes to the bigger picture. So, while manufacturer obsessed over production and promised quality, distributor prioritized speed and pitched price, while rep chased short-term wins and improvised stories. Leads fizzled before turning into opportunities, misaligning demand generation. The team was in doubt, leaving them to second-guess the processes and themselves as progress stalled.